In this video, I will show you how to fix Discord high ping, easy lower ping. So the first thing you need to do is go to Discord app, click on settings, click on voice and video here, and go to video, scroll all the way down until you see advanced. So make sure that you turn this on, and after that, scroll up and then go to voice. Scroll all the way down here until you see the enable quality of service high packet priority. So turn on this, or some people may turn off this or turn it on. So you may choose if you want to turn on or turn it off. So the next method, go to search for command prompt, click on it, and then here type this ipconfig space /flash DNS. Then click enter, and here you will see it successfully flash. And then after that, exit on this. So the next method is go to search again, and then search for control panel, click on it, and then click on network and internet, click on network and sharing center. Go ahead and click on change adapter settings. And as you can see, guys, you will see the Wi-Fi here. Disable it and then enable it again. So, and then after that, the next method that you will use is this. Exit on this again, and search for network reset. So click on network reset. As you can see, you will see the reset now. So click on it, and then try to check if the Discord is fixed on high ping or lower ping. And that's it. If it helped you, please like and subscribe.